Hey, so if you're running a business and need to manage stock without confusion, yeah, Zoho Inventory can make things way easier. In this guide, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. Alright, first, log in to your Zoho account and open Zoho Inventory from your app's dashboard. Once you're in, you'll be asked to set up your organization. Enter your business name, industry, and basic details. Now select your currency and region. This is important for pricing, taxes, and reports later on. Next, go to the Items section and start adding your products, like name, SKU, price, and stock quantity. If you have multiple storage locations, set up warehouses to track stock separately. This helps avoid confusion. Now add your customers and vendors so you can manage sales and purchases in one place. Configure tax rates and shipping settings based on your business requirements. Once setup is done, try creating your first sales order or purchase order to test everything. Now you can track stock levels in real time, see what's low, and manage reorders easily. And yeah, that's it. Once Zoho Inventory is set up, managing stock becomes a lot more organized and stress-free.